Witness the beauty of cactus. Go to Cactus Garden. Mesmerize your senses with the charm of blooming flowers standing out amidst the thorns. This experience is awaiting you at Statue of Unity. This is one of its kind botanical garden, nurturing a variety of cacti and succulent plants, making you aware of the desert ecosystem and how these plants thrive so beautiful in it. Witness the world of cacti. Get surprised with several species of it. Explore one of the nature's creations, symbolizing thorns as a birth of wisdom. This garden is home to over 450 national and international species, brought here from across 17 countries in the world. About 250,000 flowering plants, 190,000 cactus, and 160,000 succulents, nurtured inside 836 square meters dome in 25 acres of area. The Cactus Garden is awaiting you at Statue of Unity. Feel the flourishing flora. Revel on the ravishing rock landscapes. Celebrate the charisma of cacti-based herbal medicines. As the Cactus Garden is awaiting you at Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue.